hello. Yeah. Hello. Good afternoon. Happy Sunday. Hello. Hey, it's getting to 1 month, not verse, Jare. More one start now. Share. Let's go there. Let's go there. Good. Oh yes. Today is hookup program. So share. Supposed to be night, but today, happy Sunday, everyone. Happy Sunday. Yeah. Share. Today is hookup things. So no time to share time now. So today's hookup program. So share, invite your friends. Share. Oh yes. Share. Let's go there. Happy Sunday, share. So today na our hookup program. So if you not still ready, invite your friends, share. So we'll start. Understand? So invite your friends, share matters a lot. So I was so busy today, so I quickly enter so that okay, round up. So now anywhere you dey, so share to your friends, share. Share. Like that thing. yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Let's stay well so that. So share my hookup program. So invite your friends, share. So I will not to spend long time today. So my number is there in case if you want to call in. I greet you. So my number is there in case if you want to call, you can call in. So my number is there. Good afternoon. So. So invite your friends. So most of the good today. I'm not spend long time today. Oh, my phone is here. So never stand to me. I'm sorry, friends. I'm sorry. So today, I greet you all. I greet all my friends and family. I greet you. So invite your friends. This Vera TV program. This is your first time. So today is our hookup program. I'm sorry, last week I was so busy, so I'm not get chance to enter live video. And last week supposed to Saturday, I put my hookup program on Saturday, every Saturday. But last week Saturday, I was so busy. Even yesterday too, but today I decided to do my hookup program. Then next week continue our normal program. Then on Saturday will be our hookup program too. So I greet to everybody. I greet you once again. This Vera TV program. This is the first time of watching me right now. Please follow me on my page, like my page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vera TV program. Follow me on my Instagram. So good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, everyone. I greet you all. So today is our hookup program. My topic is there. So my number is there in case if you want to call in, you are free to call in. So anywhere you did, Germany, France, Spain, Holland, America, UK, wherever, anywhere you understand. So just call me if you know you are serious. For this my platform, I need people who be say they're serious, people who be say they're ready, people who be say they're really serious about it, you understand. So the people when I need for my hookup program with that. So I greet you. I'm gonna share matters a lot. This is my new look. You can see some don't come, so still need to remove some everyday hair somehow, you know. So I still need to come out and still change and look good again. So I greet you everybody. So today is our hookup program. So if you know you are serious, you be man, you be woman, wait I don't want, I don't need people they lie for my platform. I always say it every day. So I need people when they say they're serious, when they say they're ready. So my hookup program is still going on. As far you know you are serious, as far you know you are really serious about it. So I'll not get problem for that one. So follow me. Invite your friends now. So we're about to start now. So invite your friends. This is Vera TV program. Today is our hookup program. Hookup. So invite your friends. So let's go there. So if you know, so okay, you ready? You ready? You want to join this my platform? You need hookup partner for my platform, Vera TV program. So my number is there. You can call in. So anywhere you dey, go reach Nigeria. But how I take the hook up for Africa now, when man from Europe need from Africa, or you need from Africa too, so I can do that. Good day, sir. Good day, good day, good day, everybody. Good day, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. So no, so no, so no, so no, so no, so. So not be lie, not be lie, not be lie, not be lie. So when I invite my friend today, our hook up program. So if you know say you ready, you serious, you call and invite your friends. So let's go there, let's go there, let's go there. Vicky mama. So oh wow, today is Sunday. Let me bring my second phone so that I will play music for my people. One. So na so. So when I invite my friend, invite your friends, invite your friends, invite your friends. Today is hook up program. So na so. I don't want to sit down today, beg. Very day they sit down. Understand? So I just want to stand like this today. So na so. If you know say you ready, if you write your opinion here, or you want call, you can call him. So anywhere you know say you dey, you can call him. And I need people when be say they're serious. I don't need who they lie. Who no say they lie, I don't need that for my platform, because I must surely catch you if you they lie. So I don't need people when they lie. I don't need wash fake for my platform. Not at all. I don't need it. So if you know say okay, you ready, you serious, just add me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp, yeah, the number there is on WhatsApp too. So if you want to add me on WhatsApp with that number. So you can say that number is on WhatsApp. So now that number they use for my program. You have anything to say, you need advice, so that number, that be number one I dey use for my program. So hello, good afternoon, lovely Sunday. Yeah, you too. Good afternoon. So if you know it's okay, you ready, so that number, add me. I not put that number there for people to dey add me anyhow. No, they block people. I block people because I don't put my number there say you reach there, you go carry am, they write rubbish. No, I don't need it. If you write anything, write wetin carry you come, say okay now hook up you need, or you need advice, or you need me, you want me we talk put, maybe you get some matter let me we talk put, or me you understand. No be one be say you not ready, you just come my because you see number there, you carry, you come the call, you come the no. I don't need it. If I say I dey block people, so that is not the first time I dey block people well. So what is there now? You have to share, follow me on my page, Vera TV program, like my page so that you will know when I'm on live video like this. If you do on Facebook, you understand, it will give you signal, say yeah, she's on Facebook, she's on live video, so you can see it. So that will be better, you understand. So that is it. So I greet everybody, I greet all my brothers and sisters, and appreciate you all. Good afternoon, everyone. I greet you all. I greet you. Happy Sunday. Yeah, first Sunday of the month. So I greet you all. First Sunday of May. I greet you all, and I wish you good, happy Sunday. So I greet you. So now, no time to check time. So let's go there. Okay. Yeah, my program today is hook up program for men and women, for boys and girls. For men and women, even though you are a single father, you are a single mother, you are a single girl, you are a single boy, you need partner, man, you need man, you be man, you need woman, you be woman, you need man. So you need good relationship when it will lead to marriage, when I will marry. That is why I said I need serious people. Hi sister, oh I greet you, my brother, God bless you. So that's why I say I need people who is serious. I don't need people who are not ready. I don't need people who be say na to dey disturb. No, some they use call the disturb person. If you not ready, I block you. You understand? So I need people who be say they serious on my platform. So if you say you ready right now, you can add me on my WhatsApp number. My number is there. You can add me there. You can add me on that number. So you add me. Today. What is the topic? What is the topic today? Who is hook up program. I know my topic is there. I wrote it there. Today na hook up program. So una dey share matters a lot, not to just wash and comot. No, later you come dey disturb me. No, at a time you still need to still do one or two things, you understand? So share matters a lot so that many people around you will see, your friends, you understand, they will still see it. So if they still need, you understand, they'll still say okay, they still need this thing, you understand? So we no to spend long time today. So uno say ready. So uno say ready, so you can join me right now. You can call right now. So if you want to contribute, or you need a woman, or you woman you need a man, if you be man, not lie to me. Because why they say some men they lie, no be say I hate men, not at all. I don't hate men, I don't hate women. I use all the same hand, not the whole everybody, you understand? The only thing I need is that I need people when they talk truth. I need person when be say if you talk like this, wetin she talk, it go be truth. I don't need who they lie, you understand? My hookup still continue and still remain the same. I not change, I didn't quit from it. So if you know say you ready, be yourself, say the truth, don't not live fake life, you understand? Fake life, at the end the fake life will still, you go still open, you understand? The secret will still leak. So be who you are. You be mad, no go talk wetin you no be, no go lie wetin you no be. At the end the woman go come find out, or you wey be woman go come lie, na so I get this, na so I get that, for man to stay with you, or you wey be woman for woman to stay with you, you go come dey lie. No, I don't need it in my platform, this Vera TV program. I'm serious about it. I don't need it. So if you know you are really serious about it, what kind of number is that? Don't put any number on my platform. I don't know you, please. Who is this? Oh, Sarah, what for? I don't understand that number. Call which number? Please don't post any number on my platform. The number I don't understand. Please, I beg you in the name of God. You understand? So I need people when it's serious. So today na hookup program. So muna share, invite your friends, share. So we know to spend like 2-3 hours today. Maybe if I just 1 hour and some minutes, some minutes, you understand? If I if it be 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes. So let's go there. So muna share. So let's go there. So today na our hookup program. So anywhere you know say you dey, you know say okay, you serious. Anywhere you know say you dey France, Germany, Holland, France, Spain, Netherlands, go anywhere you know say you dey, you understand? As far you know say you ready, you serious. Good afternoon, my brother. God bless you. So anywhere you know say you dey, as far you serious, you be man, you understand? Why I say don't call me for Nigeria, you be man, you need woman for hook or for Europe. No, I don't do that. But if I'm man, Europe, America, Canada, Europe concern, so I can hook you up, you understand? If you are a man, you need woman in Africa, both Kenya, Ghana, Nigeria, you understand? I get lady there, you understand? Single girl you want, na one if I get pikin before, I get, you understand? But say you man need in Europe, I don't have those women, you understand? So na so. Yeah, of course I can hook you up with very good ladies. If you know you are serious, where did you live? So if you know you are serious, I don't know where you live, my brother, so you can write it where you live. You can write it here, or so that we'll know, or you add me on that number +49, you see the 49721194. That is my number. So you can add me with that number, so it will be easy for you. So in case if you know you are serious, so that is what I'm saying every day. Okay, here in Europe. Okay, you live in Europe. Okay, I'm coming. It's like my phone is ringing. Let me. Give on the charger. Give on. You will use on the share. You don't know what share phone. Yeah, I'm sorry, my number, my phone was. Hello. Yeah, good afternoon. I'm hearing you. Good afternoon.
Tomorrow. Happy Sunday.
Send to you, my brother.
How your side now?
Yeah, fine, thank God.
No.
Oh. Oh, another call don't enter. This WhatsApp phone I go hook. Hello? Hello? Hello, abeg call me back in 5 minutes. Somebody dey on WhatsApp call, abeg. So you can call him right now. Oh, let's dey call together at once. You somehow. So let's go there. Today is our hookup program. This Vera TV program. If this is your first time, like my page. Don't forget to like my page. Like my page. So let's go there. Today is Sunday. Happy Sunday. First Sunday of the month. Yeah. So let's go there. Today is our hookup program. So if you want call, you can call in now. Two call just come at once. So if you know say you ready, you serious, so just add me with that number when e dey there. My number is there, so you can add me with that number. Then you write your name. No be say you reach there, add me with that number, then you comot like that. No. How is that your problem? I can do video anywhere. That is none of your business, okay? I can do video anywhere, even though it's inside my inside my bedroom, my bathroom. That is none of your business, okay? Now wetin carry you come, now you go talk. You can do video anywhere. Now I dey do it for inside my room, I dey do it for my parlor, so that is none of your business. Okay? Fake account people. Hello. Good afternoon. You say?
I said I'm Kevin by name.
Okay.
I live in Germany. I live in Munich.
Okay.
So I don't know if probably I need the girl or your girl.
You say?
No, I said I need a girl.
In Europe here, right?
I live in Munich.
In Germany here or Italy
in
or
Germany.
in Germany? Okay, single girl, right?
Yeah, or maybe if she have a like if she have one baby, no problem.
Okay, one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, no one.
Yeah, you add me on WhatsApp. This is your first time of calling me, right?
No, I've called you before one time, but you said if there is any of you, let me know. But
Okay.
ever since then, I have not heard from you.
Oh, you add me on WhatsApp before?
Yeah.
Hey, yeah, okay. You write me so that I will know it's you. So I don't know. No, people is more, so I don't really know.
Well, where is it going to look like?
You said?
Where is it going to look like?
Hello, say what?
Where is it going to look like?
Yeah, write me on WhatsApp. After my live video, we'll talk about that later.
Okay.
Yeah, just write me on WhatsApp. You write your name before, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I will check my WhatsApp when I'm through. I no dey mind them abeg, but I no vex. I dey on call. So na so I greet. If I share comment today, I'm not ready to do it. I want to fake account people don come. So over sabi. Over sabi. Understand? If I like, I do my live video anywhere. So that is none of your business. If I didn't come to your house to do my live video, I'm not from one place to another, people house to another to do live video. I'm in my house, so I can do it in anywhere I like. Okay, so don't let that fucking business. So if you know want to write rubbish, you better I will block your fucking house right now. So please. So no, you want to call right now, so call my WhatsApp or you add me on WhatsApp. So I need people when it's serious as they talk and they go. No time to check time. Time is going so and so and so and so. So let's go there. If you know so okay, you ready, you need hook up, you be man, you be woman, anywhere you dey. As far you know say if you're not serious, not bother to come my platform. This Vera TV program, not there for shoot them, a man fly. So now so so now so no time. So I greet everybody, I appreciate you all. So if you know so you're ready, if you want to drop your comments, you are free to drop your comments, or you want to call, add me on WhatsApp. But I need serious people. I don't need people when be say they're not ready, they add person for WhatsApp. I can block you anytime, any day. So let me tell you the truth. I dey block person well. Alright, those. Yeah. Yeah, I have. Yeah, in Ghana, yeah, I have in Ghana. You live in Ghana? Yeah, I get for Ghana. If you know say you ready, I get. Single girl and woman wey get 2 babies, something like that. Go reach Dubai, I get anyway. So my number is there. Let's go there. Good afternoon, good afternoon. So let's go there. No time to check them. Yeah, what is my topic? My topic is suppose Mona say am now. My topic dey there. Hook up. Can you hook me up with someone that? Before you said someone that have job, you too, you have job too, because the hookup is not easy as you think. You know, some lady they are working too, they don't need man that is not working. So before you ask of woman that have job, you too, you need to have job. You need to be a man that can take responsibility of a woman. Yeah, you understand? You be woman will be say if you take responsibility of woman, you fit pay us, do everything. You understand? Not be say you are as a man, you are not working and you are looking for a woman when they work. No, you don't work that way. So before you ask that, you know say you too, you are working. Understand? So now, so let's go there. Mona dey share matters a lot, not be only to look that fear. No say apropos people don full here. Fake accounts. The many wey me go block today. I go block plenty. I don used to block people, but who comment rubbish on my platform, I have the right to block you, block your family, block your head. You understand? Because I did send you invitation to my watch me, so you can't come to my platform to insult me. If you insult me, insult your papa and your mama. Even though your account na fake account, as far as spirit they use am, not be ghost they use am. So me not go insult you, I go insult your father and mother, so that e go pain you well. So na so me dey do my own. Yeah, your mother. No, your mother don't have a husband. Did I tell you I'm looking for a man? Okay, you have okay. Okay, if you know say you get work problem, not dey that one. Oh, this my phone go hot today. Understand? So if you know say So let's go there. So if you know say you dey Italy, where you know say you dey, so you can add me on WhatsApp. So as far you know say you ready, you understand? If you know say you not ready, not that to add me on WhatsApp. The thing dey vex your lady. Wetin dey vex? Yeah, if I block people, yeah, I will block. Don't bother about that. You understand? So if you know that, if you know if you have a platform, somebody cannot, you cannot insult from anybody. So you don't have to tell me that. So if I block people who will watch me, that is not business. So if you have brain right now, if you are thinking that right that person to tell him that what she talk, it don't make sense. So you're not the one that will tell me what to do, okay? If I like, I block anybody on my platforms. My platform, that is none of business. Hello? I call people. Hello?
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, madam. How are you?
I'm fine.
My name is Stephen. I'm calling from
Okay. Okay, I'm hearing you. Please, I'm not hearing you. It's like the phone is not close to your mouth, so please, I don't know.
Hello,
You say hello?
I'm hearing you. Do you hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you now.
Hey, I don't know if I can get the next woman from you.
Okay, you live in Germany, Berlin.
Yeah.
Okay. It's your first time, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I have a lady. I get. This is the first time. You don't add me for WhatsApp because this is video, so I just do the hook up or live video. But if you know say you ready, I don't do it on live video. Just that many people will not know, so I did do it for live video. But if you know you're really serious, just add me with this number on WhatsApp. Write your name and your age, so I'll reply you. Then we talk. So if you know you are really serious,
Okay, you are on WhatsApp with this number.
yeah, I'm on WhatsApp with the number.
Thank you. I'm going to ask you now.
Okay, thank you. So now, no time to check time. Share matters a lot. So if you know say you ready, you need anywhere you know say you dey, understand. So if I say make I look comment today, you don't need to block anybody. Are you the one that will tell me not to block anybody? So like my comment today, I will not do what I supposed to do. I'm not going to do what I supposed to do. So now, so you understand. So if you say you ready, just add me on this number so that it will dey easy. You understand? So that it go dey easy. So I need people wey be say e serious. I don't need people wey not serious. I don't need people wey not ready. No. You understand? I need people wey serious. So anywhere you know say you dey. So I need people wey serious. So let's go there. My phone, like phone too. So you know say some people ask people dey imagine just still dey do hookup. So na so dem no hold copy for my platform again, because if dem call people on my platform, me go insult who dey call im name. I don't care. If you like na the person send am come, not the person send am come. I don't talk. I don't want to know about that. Okay. So about those people una dey add me WhatsApp. If una know so una wan add me for WhatsApp, I don't need people wey go write reach there, hi, hello. No, I dey block people. I don't need them. What is wrong with this network? You don't see the disturb this network. So now, so let's go there. So let's go there. So if you don't say ready, you dey Italy, anywhere you know you dey, so you can add me WhatsApp so that when I check people when they add me for WhatsApp, because people many wey don dey add me, so you know, so. So now, so una dey share matters a lot. No be only to look this TV program. So if you know say you need people, you really ready, you need. So for you, okay, good. Now you want to tell me whether it is easy or not easy. But today I start my video. That was last year. You understand? I start my video last year, not this year. You are not going to tell me how to handle the platform. I don't need advice from anybody. Understand? I do as I take no, I do as it go take good. You understand? So I greet everybody. So more they go there, more they go, no time to check them. So if you know, okay, you ready, let's go there. If you be man, you be woman, you say you dey, you know say you serious. I don't need people when you say not serious. I don't need people when you not ready. You understand? So now make me they talk. So share matters a lot. More share. If I think I look comment today, I'm not going to say I supposed to. So I'm not going to say today. This is 5:30. You understand? I have 1 hour or 1 hour 20 minutes. So now. Understand me? If you know, so okay, you hook up, you talk the truth. Truth matters a lot, because the relationship can lead you to a better place tomorrow. But if you don't be say you don't go lie, the person come find and say na lie you dey lie. I wish you say make it say look you good. You understand? Now wetin I dey tell people like be that, you understand? Because many people don't do it for this my platform. They lie, so at the end God go just do and their nyash go just still leak. You understand? So it don't happen. Not be one person dey tell person for this my hook up, not be person not be person go tell me wetin good and wetin not good. Because if you hook two people up now, not good now, they already go not go say na help them again. So before you hook people up, you need to ask question, because where the man take need am, not so the woman. Sister Favor, I greet you. Now hook up program, hook up. And night I take the do, so many people dey surprised. And night I take the do, but today I give one, because maybe if I don't do, I won't get chance later in the day. Sister Favor, Mommy Favor, I greet you. Too much. You understand? So now. Invite your friends, invite your friends. Get one who never talk before. So I okay. So if you like come rubbish, if you like talk whatever you want, if you tire, you rest. You understand? So now so more they go, the more they go. If you know say you ready, no just go there, go add me for WhatsApp. You know serious. No, I don't need that more. I beg. If okay, you ready serious, you can add me on WhatsApp. You can add me on WhatsApp. So now so yeah. TV open. So now so if you know you are here, it's not because of the program here, I will block you. You understand? You don't have to ask me if you have husband or not. You are not my mother, you are not my father. Otherwise, I will block your mother head and father head, even though you are fake account, okay? So that is none of your business. So now if you know ready, add me on WhatsApp. Some people maybe say not ready. I know the people when not serious. I know the people when like food amount, they will lie. They will talk 10 words. You know, we'll see one pick for inside. I don't need them. So people will say they block me. Even for WhatsApp, Facebook, I can block you. As I'm not paying me, I can block your father and your mother's head. So that is none of my business. You understand? If you open another account, I will still block you. As maybe they use the account, I don't give a fuck. I don't care. So now the truth be that. So my battery is going down. You understand me? So let's go there. So if you be man, why they talk say some women when I get them, they will tell you so it says it be. But why I say some men, not all, some of them they lie. They tell you say something like this at the end, not be so. You understand? You come back and say you're not a bad person or you collect money for the hand or from my one to point. Understand? So they always talk for my platform. If you say you ready, don't lie. If you don't forget picking before as a man, maybe you are the mother not day. It will happen. Understand? If you be mistake or one or two things, you talk the truth. Why some people get wife they find hook of which is not supposed to be so. You understand? A lot of follow up once, you understand? But at a time, you need to talk through. May not be like saying, "Na me and you as a man come do the lady bad," or "Na me and the man come do that." No, understand? So I always like truth. When you say the truth will still set you free. No need for you to lie. No need for you go to talk with you not supposed to. Or maybe if you talk truth, maybe the lady when they want hook you up, maybe she not go accept you. No. Maybe another one still there when be say if he still accept you, if he be saying that kind of man he wants. You understand me? That kind of man he wants. So don't need to hurry. No need to rush down your shadow. No need for you to say, hey, the time don't pass. No. That's why you're serious. You know what you want. If you do first mistake, don't let second one or third one be a mistake to you. Because if you call Apple like that means they'll call you say maybe now you be bad person or now you no one serious or now you don't want to do this or now you don't want to do that. So often now when they comment rubbish, you girls will not go now by una go say no see woman when he dress up about her nice spoil. Una when they tie up una go the fuck, una go get husband, go get ring, una go say una marry ring they una have now go the fuck. Is that a life? You understand? That is not life. That is life. You understand? You say you get man, you come out, you go to sleep with another man, you carry belly, you go to sleep with another man. Is that a life? That will not be life. So if you're not ready to marry, don't marry. It's not by force. Marriage is not by force. Marriage is not whereby if you're not married, they'll come put rope for your neck, they draw you like dog. No. So if you know, say it never reach for you to marry, not use of I marry. So don't come here to comment rubbish. I know you guys. I know now when they do the rubbish. Understand? You don't know, say I get man. Don't mind them. If you know whether I get man, come to my city. You understand? I'm not like you guys. I'm not like some of now. When they pray, I get husband, put ring for her, they go the fuck up and down. Not at all. Okay? I'm a responsible woman. Even though you are not married, some women don't still be say they never married, they are still responsible. Many of those women that said they are married, many of them are not responsible women. So stop on my platform commenting rubbish. You understand me? So the truth that. So if you know say you never ready, don't bother yourself. Not let person force you. Not let person say your family time go for you to marry. You not marry. At the end, I know we can't do one place. Marriage is better for us. Marriage is a be say you go stay, when be say you go enjoy marriage, be where person go dey, you call the regret, oh I know this man, or the man call the regret, why I know this woman. No, is that called marriage? Marriage? No, that no be marriage. That one na sufferhead marriage. That one na poverty marriage, tears and pain everywhere. You understand? You understand me? So not be by that one. You understand me? Not be by that one. So the woman when you go spoil, now you go spoil. Nowadays, you need to wise as a woman. You need to dress well. You need to look good. Look good does not make you say you are a useless woman or you are not irresponsible. No. Don't let anybody deceive you with that. If you are a woman, you have to dress, you have to look good. There are more when some men go marry to a woman, the woman go dey sleepy around. So they woman hand. Because you know the dress, go be like I don't man, go pack net, go pack a put for head. You tie wrapper everywhere. You understand me? Look good does not make that will make that woman is a spoiled woman, that woman is a prostitute, that woman is a this, that woman is a that. No, not like that. You understand? Not be by that one. You understand me? Not be by that one. You understand me? Not be by look good. You as a woman need to look. You understand? Not by say their husband has so some will still wear the boban wrapper. They'll still dey fuck up and down. We look them. Look my face well. Did that resemble who they stay red lights or that resemble woman with the sleeping around? No, I'm not that type. It's not by putting ring on your hand, they carry up and down. Not by that. It's as you take the responsible as a woman, as you take respect yourself. I look I beg, a dead woman to wash me. So if you know my look is disturbing you, it's like the look she look she look for. That which country e dey. So you understand? So if you know say you ready, now there you go see some women, there's some men, they're black, you know do this one. Their own way they ask. Some men no go fit still maintain am. But you go see another one for outside, eye dey. You forget say if you still maintain that woman go still look good, you go still look fine. You understand? Nobody enough, and they say nobody ugly on money, they talk. Understand me? If money dey, you will look good anytime, any day. So now the truth be that, you understand me? So more na the share be only to yours come call the lie, they comment rubbish. No. God they comment rubbish. No, the network is I tire, beg the if I come back today, I no go do it I want to. So now, we go there. So if you know say you want call, my number dey there to call. You can call me on my number. My number is there. So for all those people when they add me for WhatsApp, I beg. If you know say you want add me for WhatsApp, add well, not add rubbish. No. Don't add wetin I no know, because if you add wetin I no know, if you add me on WhatsApp, you know right to carry you come. I will just drop you. WhatsApp, abi, I don't know. So now, so no time to check time. So that's a call cut. So if you know say you ready, just let me know. I don't need people when not serious for my platform. They comment and check comment. I don't need people when be not serious for my platform. So if you know say you ready or this is your first time, you can add me on WhatsApp. You understand? Add me on WhatsApp if you ready. You understand? No say last week I didn't do my hookup. So many of them because they happy. Hey, you are a liar. People cannot disturb me. If I didn't do my hookup, that does not mean that I see it. So pay you. So not let them pay you anyway. Now you all know that one. The reply to for here. Who is the talk to? It's like the network is bad. You this Prince Best. It's like you are mad. Favor if you want to talk to now. A lot, you understand me? So now hookup today is hookup program. I suppose come out around 8 or 9 in the evening, but I no go get chance. So last week I supposed to do my hookup program, busy. So today I just decide to do on this afternoon because normal is na evening. I tell they do on evening. Understand? Evening now I tell they do on. So now you make you just make I do on like this. So round up quickly. So this is my first time. So can you? Yeah, it's hookup program. Hookup. My topic is there. You understand? So my topic is there. It's about hookup program. Hookup program. So if you know say you ready, you serious, just add me on WhatsApp. It's hookup program. I'm coming on. So now when they add me for WhatsApp, abeg, if you know say you not ready, don't bother to add me on WhatsApp. Please, I don't like it, okay? If you know say you not ready, don't write me hi, don't add me on WhatsApp and write me hi. If you are writing me hi, I will block you. You understand? It's like you are not serious, you don't ready. You understand? So don't bother to add me on WhatsApp, don't write me hi. If you know you serious, write wetin carry you come first. You understand me? Write wetin carry you come. Don't add me on WhatsApp and write me hi. I don't need it, okay? Okay, but I live in Italy. People come back to the laugh go wan kill me. So I will so round up now, Shani. Let me check. So now so round up now. Oh, yes. All right. Let me end. I know. I can. So all right.